I'm Simon Arnold. I'm the principal architect of our Brooklyn-based firm, Arnold Studio. Welcome to my project in Clinton Hill, Brooklyn. We are in a grand mansion designed by the architect Montrose Morris in the late 1800s in the Romanesque Revival style. Today, the building is occupied by apartments, including my client's, which is a duplex on the top 2 floors. When you walk into the apartment, you enter into an open-plan living space. We removed the interior dividing walls and exposed the ceiling structure. We stained the exposed wood with black pigment and painted the steel a very dark grey. The wonderful surprise of this process was that as the outside light changes and as you walk around the space, the wood appears to change colour. It gives the apartment a very unique and dynamic character. Because the apartment is quite small, we needed to focus on maximising the open space, while making sure that all of the service spaces and storage elements could still be incorporated. Our design strategy was to build in and push these elements to the perimeter, freeing up the centre. The walls are painted white, while the wood floors and the dark wood ceiling give the space warmth, and their juxtaposition gives the space an unexpected feeling of size. The clients were passionate about maintaining a balance between the original historic details, yet creating a contemporary, open, domestic space. The centre of the living room features a working fireplace. Removing years of stain revealed a beautiful mahogany wood. Though our strategy was to keep the space open, the one piece we detached from the exterior walls was the large eat-in kitchen counter. It is a black monolith carved out of soapstone. Opposite the island is an integrated storage unit. It has a recess with integrated cooktop and a built-in fridge, and it fulfills our strategy of incorporating all of the storage elements into the walls. We're always looking for inspiration in projects, and in this project, the ceiling structure was the primary driving force. By following that, we created a cohesive language throughout the apartment. And to unite the various spaces, the wood floor, like the ceiling, is continuous throughout, including up the stairs. Previously, the stairs was used to access a service apartment. Because of this, it is relatively hidden from view and it's quite steep. We wanted to make it a feature of the apartment, so we rebuilt it to the existing proportions, but gave it a radical overhaul. The wood floor now continues seamlessly up, seemingly unfolding like a ribbon of wood. Upstairs, the main bedroom is a quiet haven within the roofline. You can see the various pitches of the roof folding this way and that. We painted the floors, walls, and ceiling white. It creates an almost cloud-like floating atmosphere. You are nestled into the roofline of the city. To emphasize this, the bed floats in the center of the room, which allows the walls and ceiling around you to work freely, in a similar manner to how we designed the lower floor. Here again, we pushed all the storage to the outside walls and built in this wardrobe. The bathroom is an exhibition of natural materials. The floor tiles are hand-cast cement tiles. The bathtub surround is large format porcelain, and all of the fixtures are unlacquered brass. The goal of this project was to maximize a small space and create a contemporary environment in this historic structure. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?